Hi, and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we will try to learn to game with keyboard and mouse on PC. Learning to game with a keyboard and mouse on PC can improve your precision, speed, and control in many games. At first, it may feel unfamiliar, but with practice, it becomes natural and comfortable. This guide will help beginners learn the basics of gaming with a keyboard and mouse on a Windows computer. To begin, turn on your Windows PC and make sure to log in with your account. Connect your keyboard and mouse to your computer. Then open a beginner-friendly game installed on your PC. Go to the settings of that game or control section. Look at the default keyboard and mouse control layout. Learn the W, A, S, and D keys used for character movement. Use the mouse to move the camera or aim in the game. Practice pressing spacebar to jump when needed. Use the shift to run or sprint if the game supports it. Try clicking control on your keyboard to crouch in stealth or shooting games. Adjust the mouse sensitivity or camera sensitivity in the game settings if movement of the camera feels too fast or feels too slow. Play the game's tutorial or training mode to practice control safely. Practice moving and aiming at the same time to improve coordination. Continue playing regularly to build muscle memory and improve your skills. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.